Today's project is going to be taking this blank piece of steel and trying to turn it into, I probably can't even pronounce this right, a Puukko knife. I've been seeing those on YouTube and I don't know, they just look kind of nice to me. I thought maybe I'd try to make one for myself here. So I'm going to take this and hopefully turn it into something. The rough shape, and I mean rough shape, has been ground down. So now I'm going to start cleaning it up, and this will be my first attempt at doing one with a hidden tang. So my hopes aren't real high, but we'll see what this turns into. Fingers crossed. So to bring it up to date, I have hardened the blade and tempered it and inserted the handle, or I should say I've inserted the tang into the handle and got it all epoxied up. So I'll keep sanding on the handle a little bit more just to smooth it out. Then I'll go to work on getting an edge on this and see where we're sitting at the end of the day. All done. So this was my first attempt at a Puukko knife. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyway, got it to where I'm happy with it, and I'm gonna take that out camping next time we go and see how it goes. They say it's a popular knife in Finland and other areas, and it looked like a good knife for me to practice on and try and get better each time, like I said, because I'm no bladesmith, that's for sure, and I'm learning from watching people on YouTube. So any suggestions, please just throw them in the comments, and I try to learn each time.